I'm sorry, guys. I was just having a moment of my life. I got emotional. I wish my family can see this. I miss them so much. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Grabe yung snow, natatabunan talaga yung mga cars. Yeah, I got it na, guys. Kung dyan, ganito sila ka-organize dito. Good morning, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Of course, nakatutok kayo sa labas kasi nga puro na white sa labas. Oh my god. 'Di ba kahapon yung start ng snowfall dito? I mean, nag-start na siya matagal na, pero dito sa area namin kahapon siya nagpakita yung snowfall. So kaya, yeah. Puti na talaga lahat dahil. By the way, good morning! Sorry, nanonood kasi ako ng live ng Miss Universe ba. Hindi ako makapanood ng live dahil kasi kailangan ko daw naman mag-install ng VPN something chuchu. Lang itong initin ko lang to dahil yung kagabi. Ito yung pamahaw namin dahil and hindi ako magluluto ng baon niya because meron siyang pagkain galing sa boss niya. So, hindi ko siya lulutuan. And then, ito lang initin ko. Feeling ko ang ginaw. Makalalabas ako mamaya to see. Pero, feeling ko talaga ang ginaw tayo. By the way, later, mag-i-impake pala ako. And pupunta kami mamaya sa auntie niya. This today is Friday, guys. And punta naman kami doon. Mag-grocery din kami para sa auntie niya. So, yun ang ganap natin every Friday, everyone. Please, grabe, puno ng white na sa labas. Yeah, mag-i-impake ako mamaya, guys. Because we're going to Paris. Alam nyo bang, hindi na kami makakuha ng ticket sa Louvre kasi puno na. The Louvre Museum ba sa Paris? Wala na dahil late na kami nag-book. Ewan ko kung sa personal, kung meron ba silang ganun doon. Sana meron. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Ang dali lang. Ayoko talaga mag-breakfast kasi I feel so bloated, babe. Which bag should I grab? Do you want me to pack also for you or you will for sure it's easy for you to pack, no?
That should be okay. So.
Oh my god, I totally forgot about that I did a vlog today. I'm sorry, guys. I was just having a moment of my life. Charis. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Shall we go outside later? Oh, sure! Oh my god. It's covered with snow, guys. Everything is covered with snow. I was I was like making a video for my mama. Like I was showing her how it looks now outside and just suddenly I got emotional. Oh, I was planning to when I'm finished with all my chores, guys. I wanted to go outside and yeah, I'm gonna show you. Oh, later on it will really be covered with snow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, emotional person. Yeah, I was just like having a moment that when I watch outside it was so beautiful and I always just say like I wish I can see this with them or I can watch them with them, especially Evans. But yeah, emotional na punta when it comes to family, guys. I mean, this is also their dream, no? And like seeing it always makes me think about them because all the things that I first time ko ma-experience, I always think about that. I hope they can also experience it. But anyway, like I'm gonna show you. I'm going to France tomorrow, guys, and this is what I plan to bring. Prepare for my Bana. I choose two scarf for him. We will not stay long there, just 2 days and 1 night. And this is his coat. Let's go. Let's load this, guys. Iwan na natin dyan. Ready na bang lahat lumabas? Ay, nakaka-excite. Iwan ko lang yung aking laundry dito, guys. Let's go play outside. Mag-boots ako, day, kasi ang lamig, day. Oh my God. Oh, excited na ko, guys. Super snowy talaga outside. Suotin ko lang yung boots ko, day. Super cover ako ngayon, day. Let's go see the snow outside. I'm so excited. Yeah. Ito na sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Nag-i-snow na. Hanap tayo ng spot, guys, kung saan ganda mag-video dyan. Look at everything. It is so covered with snow. Ang galing. I can taste the snow. Amazing. Everything here is so white, guys. Like, wow. Kadlakad lang tayo dito sa may snow. Yo, I wish my family can see this. Oh my God. Oh, I miss them so much. Oh my God. Look at that, guys. It's so amazing. Oh, grabe talaga. Puno na ng snow dito, guys. Woo! Finally, it's snow. I'm under the tree. Everything is snowing. Let's go, guys. Ang ganda dito, guys. Super. Let's go. Pasok na tayo siguro, guys, kasi ang lamig na. Hindi naman pwedeng nandito tayo forever. Charis. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Kita nyo yan. Guys, I'm back. Wow, that was amazing. Would I do it again? Probably. But would I do it daily? No. Definitely no. It's cold. So, that was a success. exploring outside. And TikTok. Di mawawala yung TikTok natin. And I am covered with ice. So, ipatuyo muna natin itong ating. Super happy ako sa aking thermal stockings because it really makes me warm. Ang kontrara din ako, guys. My enemy is just when I remove my gloves, it's so freaking cold. It's so cold. Like, maniligas yung daliri mo, day, sa katunaw. And yeah. So, let's go back to our chores kasi marami tayong mga gagawin, day. May laundry pa tayo. And that was amazing. Das ist alles gut. Christmas na, guys. Dito grabe yung snow, no? Punta sana ako dito kanina, guys. Tingin-tingin ba? Pero yeah, hindi na siya natuloy kasi gininaw na ako kanina ba. Grabe yung snow, natatabunan talaga yung mga car. And yeah, to wala talang mga tao dito kaya lahat ng trees, guys. Wala na yung colorful trees. It's all white. Or you see, when I film here, you see colorful. Now it's full of white. But eventually, this will melt soon because it will start raining. Ngayon lang talaga, ang lakas talaga ng, ano guys, snow ngayon. Minus 1.5 degrees. O, diba? Banda dito guys, walang snow. I mean, meron, pero not so much. Konti lang. Iba-iba yung states dito. Sa amin, super snow. Guys, look. Nakita ko na naman. I see nutcracker. Ayan, oh. Tada! Wow! Hello! Picture ko, day. Dumadami na talaga ang decorations, guys. Yun, oh. Doon pa. Wala.
We should try this.
Hanapin ko yung glue ng ano guys. Here, essence. Para sa mata ba? False lashes. Was it here? Was it here? Was it here? Jelly Jewels. Glitter stick. Glitter stick. What's this? This, yeah! I got it na guys.
Finally.
Finally. Okay. Okay. Scan.
Perfect.
Okay, so. Oh, I love this job. I need to find a really small onion. Tingnan nyo naman yung talong nila, guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Gusto ko magtortang talong. Pero, ay! There! Grabe no. If it's not too fat, it's too thin but long. Meron din dito, guys. Oh, ang cute!
I think they call finger aubergine.
Auberginen.
Aubergine.
Aming chocolate coins, guys. Alam nyo ba, naaalala niya parati si Evans pag may coins? Because, pag may ganyang coins, Evans always grab the coins from us like that. Siya yung nagtigom sa mga coins ba? Siya yung nag-accumulate ng mga coins. So, pag nakikita namin yung ganitong chocolate, sabi niya parati, "Uy, Evans!" Oh, we miss more baby. Tapos na kami mag-grocery, guys. And, yeah. Punta na kami sa kanyang. Mabilisan lang. Naghanap ako ng tube ba para sa damit ko for dress para sa tomorrow. Pero wala ako makita, dahil tsaka ang mahal din. Yung, alam niyo ba, yung isang bra nila, isang bra, 34 Swiss franc is like, how much is it in peso? 34 dye is
1,200.
what the, huh? The bra, you know my bra 2,000, it costs 2,000. 2,000 words. Kamahal baya sa ilang bra dye. Magsiin na lang po eh. Thank you, Filmar shots. Ito yung niluto niya, guys. Risotto. Wow. Guys, pauwi na kami, guys. Actually, andito na kami. Oh, ang sarap ng niluto ng kanyang auntie. It's a risotto and I don't know what's the called of the sudan. This is the store where we usually do grocery. It's called Aldi. What time is the Aldi close?
Today it's 8.
But on weekends around 7.
6:30.
Puno. Ala, they have Christmas tree, babe. Nice. Puno ng snow dito, guys. Papasok na kami ng garage. Ayan, oh. Sa auntie niya walang snow. Konti. Wala talaga. Dito marami. So, nung nag-grocery kami, day, may nakita na ako. Kahapon kasi naghanap kami, diba, ng eyelash glue. May nakita na kami doon nung nag-grocery kami. Bobby pins kasi magka-curl ako ng hair ngayong gabi para ready na kasi maaga kami gigising tomorrow para sa aming flight. Tsaka dalawa lang, tatlo tong nasa store pero para pair lang ba? Dalawa yun lang kinuha namin. This is for the table mat. And of course, our favorite kit, the paprika flavor na Swifel. Nag-ano lang kami guys, naglagay kami ng cartoon dyan. Ganito sila ka-organize dito. Yung mga basura, very organized. Mga lata, tapos iniyupit nila ng ganyan yung mga cans. And this is outside in the snow. Nag-snow na naman. Schnee. 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 Ay, may binigay pala yung auntie niya, guys. Ang dami. Ang bait ng auntie niya. Binigyan niya kami ng parang, alam niyo yung tissues, table tissues, but it's not tissue. Para siyang medyo, how do you say that? It's, tela ba? Para siyang tela. Halos maging tela na siya. Ang dami, different designs we have here parang, at saka bago pa kami bumili ng ganito guys, that was like a snowflakes na design. Yan, oh. Tada! Pang Christmas. Also this, bago pa hindi pa siya na-open. Pang Christmas din, ang dami. Ito din, no, kung Christmas siya. Ito, isang whole set na malaki na version din. Yung husband kasi ng cousin niya is, ito yung nag-work sa company ng ganito daw. Kaya ang dami nilang ganito, guys. Ito is malaking version na ilalagay mo sa table. Plan ko maglagay tonight. Plain lang, stars. Tsaka meron silang parang, tsaka this is candle. Look, my candle. This is like whole set. Ayan. Wow, thank you Filmar. So, nice. Sige, gawin natin table tonight. Ito na ang ating table. Wala pa kasi kaming ganito. Oh, dalawa lang binili. So, diba? Matchy-matchy naman siya sa aming flowers. Oh, so cute. Tapos na lahat ng laundry, guys. Ito na lahat, guys. I will fix my hair tonight, guys. But I will end the vlog now. Mag-i-impake pa ako, guys. Ipagpatuloy ko yung ibang pag-impake. And then, yeah. So that's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited with our Paris trip. Ciao!